Good evening, everybody, and welcome to another video. So, yet again, we have another severe weather risk coming to portions of the United States, this time across the southeastern portions of the U.S. So, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk for severe weather across areas of eastern Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, most of Mississippi, northern and central Alabama, northwestern Georgia, and most of Tennessee for tomorrow, December the 29th. And we're going to be taking a look at the tornado, wind, damaging hail threats with these storms coming to tomorrow over these areas. First of all, taking a look at our tornado threat, there's a 5% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a given location in the Brown area, and that includes cities like Nashville, Tennessee, Jackson, Tennessee, Memphis, Tennessee, Greenville, Mississippi, Jackson, Mississippi, Birmingham, Alabama, Huntsville, Alabama, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and Chattanooga, Tennessee. And then a 2% chance of tornadoes in the green area, and that includes areas like Atlanta, Georgia, Little Rock, Arkansas, and New Orleans, Louisiana. Taking a look at the damaging wind risk, there's a 15% chance of damaging straight-line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of a given location in the yellow region, and that includes the same areas as the slight risk and the 5% tornado risk, and a 5% chance of damaging straight-line winds in the brown area. And with the hail, a 15% chance of quarter-size hail 1 inch in diameter or larger in the yellow, and a 5% chance in the brown. So overall, we're taking a look at another severe risk tomorrow. Let's take a look at our high-resolution model to see the timing of the severe weather across the area. So taking a look at about 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Wednesday, December the 29th, you begin to see some showers across west central Mississippi and north central Alabama. And as I progress through the day, as we head into the afternoon, we're looking at around 2 o'clock Central Time at this point, and we're beginning to see some pretty intense storms fire up across southeastern central Arkansas, northern Mississippi, and some across southeastern Alabama. And as we head into 3, 4, and 5, this is looking at 4 o'clock Central Time, storms really begin to significantly intensify across eastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, and southern Tennessee, with some hail and possibly some tornadoes at this point. As we head into 5 p.m., storms continue across Tennessee, with likely some supercells ongoing, as well as we're starting to see some isolated cells developing across southern Mississippi and Alabama, which could turn into supercells. And as we head into 7 p.m., we do indeed see some of these cells across southern Mississippi and north central Mississippi turn into supercells, with some heavy rain ongoing across portions of central Tennessee. And as we head into 9 p.m., looks like we got some strong storms northwest of Birmingham, Alabama. And then finally, as we head into midnight, we still have looks like some strong storms ongoing across northern Mississippi, central Tennessee, northern Alabama. And then 2 a.m., the storms begin to push east towards Georgia. And by about 4 a.m. Central Time, central Alabama, northern Georgia are getting some strong storms. And they continue across southern Alabama and northwestern Georgia through about 8 a.m. Thursday morning Central Time. And finally, the storms begin to weaken as we head into Thursday afternoon. So we're looking at several hours of potential severe weather across areas of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, Arkansas, Louisiana tomorrow. So if you are in the risk areas, pay close attention to your local weather stations and the national and your NOAA weather radio for updates. If any tornado warnings are issued, go into an interior room or basement until a tornado warning is lifted. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening, guys.